Good morning! So today is Friday. Wala nang bulaklak ang aking yellow bell. So parang maganda ang panahon ngayon. Where is Mela? Mela? Where's daddy? Where's your daddy? Where's your daddy? Where's your daddy? Daddy? Is daddy? Your daddy wake up already? Run! Run, Mila, run! Akala niya kung nagising na yung daddy niya, wala pa. No? It's still sleeping? No daddy? Nadisturbo. Mila! Mila, oi, daddy, daddy, where's your daddy? Go, your daddy, where's your daddy? Go, daddy, your daddy's there, your daddy's there. Oh, akala niya totoo, wala namang tao doon. Hinahanap niya amo ko lalaki. No? Where's daddy? Where's your daddy? Still sleeping? Oh, where's Mila daddy? Still sleeping. Daddy is not here. Hanapin. No. Then call. Ouch. Whoop. Then your daddy go down. Whoop. Whoop. Where's Mila daddy? Where's your daddy? Call your daddy. Where's daddy now? Where's Mila daddy? Where's Mila daddy? Daddy upstairs. Daddy. Your daddy. Where's your daddy? Where's Mila daddy? Oh, where's your daddy? Nakatingin sa taas. Where's your daddy? Where's your daddy? Mila. Mila. Oh. Mila. Mila, Mila. Oh, your daddy wake up already. Ay, naku, Mila. Where's mommy? Where's your mommy? Mila. Ah, your mommy come back. Mommy come back. Hindi maniwala. Kasi alam niya wala naman dito. Amo kong babae. So, amo kong lalaki. Your daddy! Yeah! Yeah! Ay, naku, Mila.